This is 10th Maths, Chapter 3, Algebra, Exercise 3.8, Question number 2. Find the values of A and B if the following polynomials are perfect squares. First subdivision, 4x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 37x square plus bx plus a. This is given polynomial. Here two unknowns A and B are here. So given polynomial is perfect square, that is given. So write the given polynomial in standard form. 4x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 37x square plus bx plus a. These two are our unknowns. That only we have to find. First, write the square root of first term. What is square root of 4? 2. Square root of x power 4 is x square. So 2x square. Here also 2x square. Now multiply 2 2s are 4. X square into x square, x power 4. Now change the sign. X power 4, x power 4, 4x power 4 get cancelled. Now write these two terms down. Minus 12x cube plus 37x square. This is our new dividend. Now write the divisor. Multiply the quotient part by 2. 2 2s are 4x square. Our divisor should be in two terms. First term only we know. Find the second term of the divisor polynomial. For that, divide this first term divided by this term. Minus 12x cube divided by the 4x square. 4 1s are 4 3s are x square and x cube one time. So minus 3x is quotient part. Right? Minus 3x here also write minus 3x. This is divisor polynomial with two terms. Multiply these two terms by this minus 3x. So minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12 x into x square x cube. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 x into x square. Now change the sign. Here plus, here minus. This minus 12x cube plus 12x cube get cancelled. Now 337x square minus 9x square. This number is greater. So put greater number sign plus 37 minus 9 is 8 2. 28x square. Now write these two terms down. Plus bx plus a. This is our new dividend. Write the divisor here. So multiply the quotient part by 2. Here two terms are in quotient part. Multiply that two terms by 2. 2 2s are 4x square minus 2 3s are 6x. So want to find one more term in divisor part. For that, divide this first term by this first term. 28 x square divided by 4x square. Now x square will cancel. 4 1 time 7 times. So plus 7 is a quotient part. Here also write plus 7. Now this is divisor with 3 terms. Multiply these 3 terms by this plus 7. 7 4s are 28 x square. Plus into minus, minus 7 6 are 42 x. Plus 7 7s are 49. Here given polynomial is perfect square. So remainder should be 0. Find the values of A and B only our question. So the coefficient of x is b. Therefore here coefficient of x is the answer of b. So coefficient of x is minus 42. Don't change the sign of this polynomial here. Write the values of b means the coefficient of x is Answer of B. Here constant term is A. In this polynomial, constant term is 49. Therefore, since the given polynomial is a perfect square. Therefore, A is constant term is plus 49. B is the coefficient of x only B. So therefore here coefficient of x is minus 42 is value of B. Don't write x again. This is our required answer. Now from exercise 3.8 question number 2, find the values of A and B if the following polynomials are perfect squares. Second subdivision, A x power 4 plus B x cube plus 361 x square plus 220x plus 100. Given polynomial is a perfect square. Here unknowns are in first terms of the polynomials. In square root, the unknowns should be in last terms of the polynomial. So we should rearrange the polynomial like first write constant term, then write x term, then write x square, then execute term, last only x power 4 term. 100 plus 220x plus 361x square plus bx cube plus ax power 4. This line we should rearrange the given polynomial. So write the square root of this first term. Constant term is here first term. What is square root of 100? 10 tens are 100. So 10 here, here 10. 10 tens are 100. Now change the sign. This 100 minus 100 can get cancelled. Write these two terms down. 220x plus 361 x square. Now write the divisor into this quotient 2. 10 into 2, 20. So we have to find second term of the divisor polynomial. Further divide this first term by this first term. 220x by this 20. 0 0 get cancelled to 1 times to 11 times. So 11x is now quotient plus 11x plus 11x. Yeah, also write plus 11x. This is divisor polynomial with two terms. Multiply this polynomial by this quotient plus 11x. So plus into plus plus 11 2s are 22. Tag the 0. 220x. Now 11 11s are 121 plus 121 x into x square. Now change the sign minus. Here also minus. These two terms get cancelled. 361 minus 121. So subtract and put the greater number sign. Greater number is 361. That sign is plus. So 1 minus 1 1. 6 minus 2 4. 3 minus 1 2. 241 x square. Right? These two terms down. Plus bx cube plus ax power 4. Now write the divisor. This quotient part contains two terms. So multiply these two terms by 2. 2 tens are 20 plus 2 11s are 22. Yes. Want to find third term of the divisor polynomial. For that divide this first term by this first term. 241 x square divide by 20. No, sorry. 1 minus 1, 0. So 240 x square by 2. 1 times square. Here 361 minus 121 is 240. So quotient is plus 120 x square. Now multiply. Here also write 120 x square. This is divisor with 3 terms. Multiply these 3 terms by this 120 x square plus 120 x square. Plus into plus plus 120 into 20. Sorry, here 20, this 0 get cancelled, 12 times only. 12 x square. 12 x square, here also 12 x square. So multiply this 3 terms by 12 x square, 20 into 12. 2 12s are 24, tag is 0. 240 x square. Now 22 into 12 is 2 12s are 24 plus 2 12s are 24, balance 2. Again 2 12s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26 x square term. Now x square into x is x cube plus 12 into 12 144. 144 x square into x square, x power 4. Don't change the sign because given one is perfect square, the remainder should be 0. So answer A is what? X power 4, coefficient of x power 4 only our unknown A. Here coefficient of x power 4 is 144 plus 144. Therefore the value of A is 144. Here coefficient of x cube is b. Here coefficient of x cube is 264. Therefore, value of b is plus 264. Since the given polynomial is a perfect square. Therefore, value of a is coefficient of x power 4. Here coefficient of x power 4 is 144. Don't write that x power 4. Here coefficient of b is 264 plus 264. This is our required values of a and b. Now, from exercise 3.8, question number 3, find the values of m and n if the following polynomials are perfect squares. First subdivision, 36x power 4 minus 60x cube plus 61x square minus mx plus n. This is given polynomial. Our unknowns are in last terms of the given polynomials only. So, write the polynomial as it is. 36 x power 4 minus 60 x cube plus 61 x square minus mx plus n. What is square root of 36? 6. X square root of x power 4 is x square. So 6x square. Here also write 6x square. Now multiply 6 6 are 36. X square x power 4. Now change the sign. My plus 36 x power 4 minus 36 x power 4 get cancelled. Write down these two terms. Minus 60 x cube plus 61 x square. Now find the divisor. So into 2. This quotient into 2. 2 6 are 12. X square, 1 to 5, one more term. So divide this first term by this first term. Minus 60 x cube divided by 12 x square. 1 12s are 5 times. So the x square, x cube 1 minus 5x. This is our Quotient part, write minus 5x here. Here also minus 5x. This is our new divisor with two terms. Multiply these two terms by this minus 5x. So minus into plus, minus 5 12s are 60 x cube, minus into minus, plus 5 5s are 25 x square. Now change the sign, plus minus, this minus 60 x cube plus 60 x cube get cancelled. Here plus 61 minus 25x, sign changes and write the greater number sign and subtract. So greater number is 61, that sign is plus. Now subtract 11, 11 minus 5 is 6, here 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, x square term. Now write these two terms here, minus mx plus n. Find the new divisor. So here in quotient part there are two terms. So multiply these two terms by 2. 2 6 are 12 x square minus 2 5s are 10 x. Want to find third term of divisor. For that divide this first term by this first term. 36 plus 36 x square divided by 12 x square. So the x square get cancelled 1 times, 3 times. So plus 3 is per quotient, right? Plus 3 here, here also plus 3. This is now new divisor, divisor polynomial with 3 terms. Multiply these 3 terms by this plus 3. So plus 3 12s are 36 x square minus plus into minus, minus 3 10s are 30 x plus into plus plus 3 3s are 9. No need to change this sign because given one is perfect square, therefore remainder should be 0. The value of n is constant term only, here n, here constant term is 9, plus 9. Therefore the value of n is plus 9. Here coefficient of x is minus m, here coefficient of x is minus 30. So this minus minus get cancelled, therefore m is equal to 30. Since the given polynomial is a perfect square, here coefficient of x is minus m is equal to, here coefficient of x is minus 30. This minus minus get cancelled, therefore m is equal to 30. Constant term is n, here constant term is 9, therefore n is equal to 9. This is our required answer. Now from exercise 3.8, question number 3, find the values of m and n if the following polynomials are perfect squares. Second subdivision, x power 4 minus 8x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 16. Our unknowns are in middle terms. So write the polynomial in standard form only. So x power 4, then write x cube term minus 8x cube, then write x square term plus mx square plus nx plus 16. What is square root of x power 4? X square. Here also write x square. X square into x square, x power 4. Now change this sign, minus plus x power 4 minus x power 4 get cancelled. Now write these two terms here, minus 8x cube plus mx square. Our quotient is 2 into, no, that our divisor is 2 into this quotient. 2x square. Want to find one divisor. For that, divide this first term by this first term minus 8x cube divided by 2x square. 2 1 times 2 4 times x square in x cube. X is balanced. So minus 4x is our new quotient. 4x minus 4x here also write minus 4x. This is new divisor with the two terms. Multiply these two terms by this minus 4x. So minus into plus minus 2 4s are 8 x cube minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 x into x square. Now change the sign. This minus 8x cube plus 8x cube get cancelled here. Mx square minus 16x square. So these two are like terms with x square terms. Here how to subtract m minus 16. M minus 16 x square. Now write these two terms here plus nx plus 16. Now write the divisor. Multiply these two terms of quotient by 2. 2x square minus 2 4s are 8x. So divide this first term by here last term is the last term is from the given polynomial. We know what are the square root part of this polynomial. Here square root of x power 4 is x square. Then we know what is last term 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So plus 4. Here also write plus 4. Now multiply 4 2s are 8 x square. This is last term. In quotient part x square term, x term, constant term only will come. So from that first term we know what is last term. So check the question. Here last term of the polynomial is plus 16. The square root of plus 16 is 4. Here also write 4. So multiply these three terms by that 4. 2 4s are 8 x square minus 4 8s are 32x plus 4 4s are 16. Since the given polynomial is a perfect square, therefore the remainder should be 0. Since the given polynomial is a perfect square. Here only our unknowns, the coefficient of x is our unknown, n. In this polynomial, coefficient of x is minus 32. Therefore, the value of n is minus 32. Therefore, n is equal to minus 32. How to find m? Here coefficient of x square is m minus 16 is equal to coefficient of x square is 8 here. So transfer this minus 16 to that side. M is equal to 8 plus 16. Therefore m is equal to 24. Already we found m is minus 32. This is our required values of m and n. So students, copy down these worked out sums in your classroom notebooks and do these homework sums. Homework sums are from exercise 3.8, first question, fourth subdivision. Example 3.21, example 3.22. These are your homework sums. should go and practice well.